And so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you want to do is you need a mastermind. This could be people you may have never met in person, people that are just supportive. You don't want too many people because you don't want too many outside distractions leading you into different ways. And then the second one is you want to actually change your perspective on what is happening in your life right now. So for me, when this situation first happened, I was angry. I was like, how could this happen? The woman that I love, we've been getting healthy together. We have all these dreams to build millions and billion-dollar businesses. At that point, Cece just finished writing her children's books, positive affirmations for kids. We had a bunch of journals and things that we've been publishing on Amazon with our CJC publishing line. Like, life was looking great. Like, it was so much fun. And then when all that happened, all I was like is like, if there is a God, if there's a universe, if there's something higher, like, why are you doing this? Why did I have to do this? Like, I went to war, I went through all the PTSD stuff, and now I finally was able to find love, not only within Cece, but I found love within myself for the first time in my life. It happens for you. We just have to look at it from a different perspective and figure out how is it happening for us. And so the last one is, which is one of my favorites, if you know me and you've been following me for a while, is change your environment. Like, I remember I drove to Arlington to go to a vegan restaurant, and I drove by TJI Fridays, which was the first place we ever met. And it's refreshing being here.